Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of American Airlines weekly on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of American Airlines. Well, you will find it here. We click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.